So if you have just clicked on this video, I know that you have started a YouTube channel and you want to grow it, or you are trying to enter into the YouTube space and you don't know where to start. Actually, I was also once in that situation. And I know many people may say, who are you for us to listen to? Actually, this is my channel. I started this channel and I grew it from 0 to 1,000 subscribers without any knowledge on how to grow a YouTube channel. And I do it through trial and errors, and I don't want you to also do the same thing. So I want you to watch the video from beginning to the end to know the steps that you need to follow when you want to grow your YouTube channel. And I was once looking for this kind of information when I started my YouTube journey, because I was not having anybody that I can back so that the person can show me the path that they always follow when you are starting a YouTube channel. But now you have gotten that information, so you need to watch it from beginning to the end to know the steps that you need to follow. So first of all, if you are new to the channel, my name is Elijah, and all I share here is to share tips and strategies that can help you to grow on YouTube and to monetize it and also live a healthy life. So now what we need to do is that before you grow on YouTube, you need to find a niche. Just search through your competitions, or if you are already having a talent that you want to show it. Like many people may say, oh, YouTube is saturated, but YouTube is not saturated. People are emerging as popular beings all the time on YouTube, so you can also be one. So you don't need to feel like oh, you can't grow on YouTube. You can grow on YouTube, but you need to follow some steps. So first of all, you need to, before you grow on YouTube, or for you to be able to grow on YouTube, you need to be consistent. You need to post regularly on your channel. Always try to post regularly on your channel. Like if you can post every day when you start out, because you're not having any data for YouTube to show it to many people, so you need to post all the time so that YouTube will notice you, that oh, you are serious about growing your channel, so that they can be able to show it to many people as possible. And if you are starting out, nobody knows you. You are just like newbie. Nobody knows you. You are not having any video out there showing people maybe some things that they already know about you. You are just starting out. So all what you need to do is you need to put as many videos as possible. You need to put many videos as possible so that your videos can go far. And if people are interested in your videos and they start to watch, it's going to spread, because YouTube, the way YouTube recommend videos is based on watch time. And when people are able to watch your video maybe from beginning to the end, then you can be able to now like accumulate some followers. And when you do that, when you do that for a long period of time, you continue to post. Let's say if you're able to post every day for a week, you are going to be having about 7 videos in a week. If you continue to do that for a month, you're going to be having about 30 videos in a month. If you can't do that and you are able to post 3 times a week, then it's also good. You can be having about 9 to 15 videos, or even 20 videos a month, which is also good, and it's going to boost your YouTube growth. And more to the point, many people will say you need to be posting quality content. For me, I don't always support mostly on quality content. What I support is quantity. Post many quantity videos as possible, and the more quantity videos you post, the more you get a quality video out of it. And you don't just post like shit all the time. Try to make sure that your second video is better than your first video. Try to do the same way. In order, always try to improve day in and day out. Every video that you put out, try to improve every day. And the more you improve, the more you are going to get a quality video out of it, and people are going to like it, and they are going to watch the video all the way from beginning to the end, and you are going to start getting traction. And when you start getting traction, then that's the time that people are going to start noticing you. And when they start to notice you, the next thing that you need to do is you need to use your statistics as a guide. I know when you start a YouTube channel, you're going to see where they're having YouTube statistics. You are going to see statistics. So when you click on it, they are going to show you your the retention graph, where people click off your video. They are going to show you where people click off your video, and you can use that one as a guide, so that next time when you're making another video, you will not make that kind of mistake, so that people will not click off your video. And when you do that, the next thing that you need to do to grow on YouTube is you need to engage with your audience through comments. through comment. Like, let's say if somebody commented on your video, try to reply the person as possible. If the person like comment on your video, maybe thank you for this particular video, just also thank the person for checking out on your video, or just like the particular person comment to tell people, YouTube, that oh, you are engaging with your audience and your audience like your work. And the next thing that you need to do is, and many people ignore this, is use the community tab, where you can post, like you can just post to thank your audience that they should thank you very much for watching your videos, and like inform them about like a next video that like I just ask them what video they may want to see next, so that to see their response, and like the response that you are going to see is the response that's what you are going to use to make your next video, and you are going to get a lot of video ideas. And you will never run out of video ideas when you are using the community tab all the time to be asking your audience what kind of videos they are interested in. Or you can also be thanking them for watching your videos, and it's not going to only spread to your audience, it's going to spread to other people as well. And when it spread to many people, then people are going to start to still notice you, and that's just the path where you can continue to grow your audience. You need to comment on people posts as possible. You need to comment on people posts as possible. Like, what did I mean by people posts? It can be their community tab, or it can be their videos. Like, let's say if you are like, you need to be like, when you are watching those people within your niche, and you see that oh, they have made a particular video and you are interested in it, try to comment on it as much as possible. And when you comment on it, like, people are going to see your comment, and when people see your comment and like they develop interest in it, they are going to check your profile, and when they check and you are having videos that they are interested in it, they are going to watch that particular videos. And when they watch it and they are interested in next, they are going to continue to watch your videos all the way. And as they continue to watch, many are going to subscribe to the channel, and many are going to like the video. So the next thing that you now need to do is that many people, like most YouTubers, would now tell you that you shouldn't do that, but for me it was helpful to me, and I need to share it with you guys. Tell people to subscribe to your channel and like your video. Tell people to subscribe to your channel and like your video. It's very important, because some people always watch your videos, but they always forget about subscribing. But when you remind them to subscribe, it always stick to them, and they will now remember that oh, I need to do this to support the person, and they will subscribe to the channel. So if you're also watching this video till this part, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, to also help this channel to grow and also reach other viewers like you, so that they can also grow their channel as well. So the next thing that you need to do to grow on YouTube is that you need to be ready to accept criticisms. What did I mean by ready to accept criticisms? Like, they are going to get a lot of harsh speech, or people are going to be insulting you in the comment section sometime. But don't mind that. Just take yourself as influencer, the person. You need to take yourself as a public figure, which you don't need to like reply to every harsh comment. Just leave them. If somebody insults you in the comment section, just leave them. And if you are like the person continue to do that way, and you see the person is hitting on your reputation, or so, you can just block the person on your channel is there, or you can just mark it at a place where YouTube is having a place that you can mark it at any point, where if somebody is like comment on your video, unless you approve that person, that person comment, that particular comment cannot go public. So you can also do that same thing to that person comment. And the next thing that you need to do is you need to make sure you share your videos. Make sure you share your videos to other social media platforms. If you are using other social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, make sure you share your videos there, because if some people begin to watch your videos from that particular place, they click on that particular links to come to YouTube to watch it. YouTube is going to get a signal that oh, people are coming from different social media platforms to watch your videos, and they are going to push it to a lot of people. And the next thing that you need to do, and this is the final thing but very important, is that you need to take on any opportunity that comes. What did I mean by any opportunity that comes? Like, if you see any new feature that YouTube just released, make use of it. Example is like, when YouTube introduced the YouTube short, they were just pushing the videos. You can do any horror video, or you can do any low quality video, but they will still push it the same way like other social media platforms are doing. So if you are just starting out and you are seeing any new feature that YouTube just dropped, make sure you make use of it, and it's going to help you a lot. So if you have watched the video from beginning to this part, so first of all, I will thank you very much for watching it from beginning to the end. I know you are serious about growing your audience on YouTube. That's why you are able to watch the video from beginning to the end. And what I can tell you now is that try to subscribe to this channel if you have not done it yet. And if you have done it, thank you for subscribing. And make sure you come back all the time to check on this channel. I'm going to be uploading tips and tricks like this so that you can use it to grow your channel and monetize it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.